We know the deaths related to heroin abuse have tripled in Michigan over the last decade. Now, the heels of Monday's Michigan Heroin Summit in Lansing, ABC 12's Washington Bureau Chief Jacqueline Policastro introduces us to one expert who says instead of focusing on the problem, we need to focus on ways to care for victims.
The rise of heroin abuse, a trend the Center for Disease Control says is linked to the overprescribing of painkillers.
It's a significant and growing problem.
A serious problem that's finally starting to get serious attention. Eleanor McCants-Katz is the Chief Medical Officer for the Substance Abuse and Mental Health Services Administration. She tells us we need to keep talking about what she's calling an epidemic.
It's epidemic in that we haven't seen this before. We haven't seen this big increase in people that are overdosing, people that are having adverse events that are associated with their drug use, and we haven't seen this number of people that were previously using prescribed medications go to a street drug like heroin.
And that's a public health concern because an increase in intravenous drug use can spread diseases. In most places, it only takes about $20 to buy enough heroin to get high or avoid withdrawal. Because the drug is so cheap and easily available, experts tell me that's exactly what getting help needs to be: cheap and easily available. That means drug screenings and access to medicine that can stop an overdose, educating physicians to know when people really need strong pain meds, offering other approaches to medicine like physical therapy, and using a central database so doctors know all the drugs someone is prescribed and patients understand the link between painkillers and heroin.
We have to talk to the public about prevention and about avoiding these medications and the dangers of misusing these medications.
It's a danger McCants-Katz says she doesn't expect to go away right away. She thinks heroin abuse will continue to rise until Americans truly understand the dangers of the drug and abusers get easy access to help. Reporting in Washington, I'm Jacqueline Policastro.
Well, downtown Flint is preparing